You guys ask your questions and then Fashion Week Summer Resort 2016. I would like to introduce Purnima Nava, Head of Innovation, Lakme. We have with us the gorgeous Kareena Kapoor, and we are waiting for the man of the hour.
I think it's been a wonderful experience. Give me the mic now. I think it's been a wonderful experience because it's the first time that Lakme has done a fashion show of this level at such a great monument like St. Xavier's. It's a very big day. And I think Purnima and the entire team have always tried to do कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश की है हमेशा Lakme ने. हर साल, हर season कहीं अलग लेकर चलते हैं हमारी city में to try and show the highlights of the city and to kind of collaborate a great brand, a 100-year-old brand like Lakme in a wonderful institution. So I think it's a very big day for the entire Lakme team. And according to me, I think it was the best finale.
Thank you. The other questions, I would first request Purnima Nava to say a few words, followed by the man of the hour, Rohit Bal, and then we will
Rohit
continue with the
Bal.
questions.
I'm going to say exactly very few words. Illuminate came alive as imaginatively as you could really think. Rohit is pure genius. I think from the venue to what happened with the lights on the backdrop, to the music, to the garments, everything was hauntingly beautiful. And of course, then Kareena came out looking like this as our showstopper, and it was just, I mean, it took my breath away.
Like I said, good evening. Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Purnima, for really letting me do this. She gave me carte blanche to do everything that I wanted, and I did. And then I just want to say that Kareena is a vision. She really is a goddess. And it's not only just about, God has blessed her with great looks and spectacular beauty, but it's about the way you are as a person, as a human being. Understanding, calm, intelligent, beautiful inside outside, but also understanding. This is very important. I've had a lot of friends in Bollywood and in creative fields. A lot of the times people tend to forget who they really are, and they fall into a trap of being this not human kind of person. She knows that, you know that, we deal with them all the time. This girl here, besides the fact that she's so young and spectacularly beautiful, really has this heart of gold. She understands fashion, she understands inner beauty, she understands, I think, maybe things like spirituality. And I think the lesser said about her, the more said about her, the lesser, to be very honest. I think, look at her. Just look at her.
The outfit is the lehenga.
She's really quite something.
Of course, Lakme is like, I'm synonymous now.
Yeah, okay, fine. So everything that she's looking at right now is Lakme. But really, the fact of the matter is that this is about illuminate, which I call Koroshni, which is an Urdu form, a word for to illuminate. For me, this whole experience with Lakme, IMG, Kareena, and all the teams that are involved here has been about illumination, has been about growth, has been about finding a way to go beyond what you are and what you do and take it to another level. And I think that's what we did tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit. We will now open the floor for questions.
How much does it weigh?
How much does it weigh? I love it especially because I think
It's not that
it has,
Chanda
yeah,
and Suraj.
it has like a chant on it. So I like it. It's got this touch to it, which I mean, for me personally, it's just something that I would just love to keep, and love to keep for the next 50 years for my family as an heirloom.
Any instructions you got before the show from
Any instruction?
Not at all.
No, I think I'm actually a pro now, I think, on the ramp.
Tell me about the selection. What would you say about
I think I've always said when you talk about Rohit Bal, his clothes reflect his personality, which is ostentatious, amazing, fun. Somebody like how he says he thinks I have a heart of gold, but I think that his heart is in his clothes. That's why you can see the passion, because the kind of workmanship I'm yet to see in India.
the background? Would you like to share something about that? How they can help you?
We're extremely fortunate to also have Ileana here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
She has been witness to our new store concepts rollouts, both in Mumbai and in Jaipur. And I think she's also personally experienced our summer collection in these two stores.
Thank you for watching the show and coming over. The collection called Knots of Love, and I became father with first child 6 months back.
Oh, congratulations.
So I've been going to my office very late in the afternoon every day. So spending a lot of time with the baby girl and the unconditional love which she gave. So it is all about expression of love, and so many bad things happening around us. The way what is happened in Belgium, what happened in Paris, or what happened in Mumbai earlier. So I really believe like this is what is a time where as much as left we have got within us, we need to share it. We need to talk about it. So that is why the entire quote, entire line, everything lineage starts with that. Second thing is also, which is about the collection, is also handmade idea. Like the clothes are clothes. What gives life is the human hands which touch clothes and creates them really beautiful, even more beautiful. So that is what I say, it's like 4 dimensions within clothes is what human love puts together and human hands put together. We have got amazing craftsmen in our country. Like we have used bandhani, we have used embroidery, and 90% of the collection made in villages of India. So I'm very, very proud to have that team which does such beautiful work. Thank you.
After you both have spoken, I don't think there's much for me to say, but I'm very happy to be here. I've had a lovely connection, lovely equation with Reliance Friends, so it feels like family now, just to do another part of work with you. Yes, I have been witness to 2 beautiful stores, one in Jaipur, one in Mumbai, and it's unbelievable. It's an experience in itself to go there, to see the collection, and the summer collection is lovely. And how they've got, every aspect of what you like to wear, like formal wear and workout wear, and then there's casual wear, there's stuff for kids as well. So it's nice that you find everything under one roof. And again, I keep saying this, I think the Indian customer would love it because it's such affordable rates. So I think it's really lovely what they're doing. I love the concept behind Rahul's collection. In fact, now that you mentioned so many things, I think it's so important that in spite of whatever's happening, and we shouldn't get too gory right now or too somber, but in spite of whatever's happening around the world, it's nice that you're sort of bringing in some kind of love in your own way, and I think that's really commendable. And I think it's lovely what he's put together. Not So Love is it's a lovely name for a collection. And yeah, I think it's beautiful that you've actually used proper Indian craftsmen to do this, because you only get authentic work if you use the actual people behind it. So I think it's really commendable, and I'm very, very proud to be here. And I hope you all enjoyed the show.
Thank you. Now,
Absolutely. I think Reliance Trends has something for every person. So with me, I like being a little more laid back and casual, and even if I do dress up, I don't like to go overboard. So I think it's got a bit of that for everyone. It's got a bit of everything for everyone. So I like the fact that their summer collection is so light and comfortable, especially in the summers in India. Is you know how it is. So I love that they've got beautiful prints and lots of colors coming up as well. So they're in with the latest trends, which is very hard for me to keep track of. So I'm glad that Reliance Trends at least is doing that. So they've got really lovely stuff there, and it definitely works with, if you've seen the last 2 outings with them, I've been wearing their clothes, and I think it's lovely. Wow, a dress like this, I think, requires a very special occasion. It's kind of like, I was talking to somebody earlier today, and it's kind of like princessy, but a little more funky princessy, because it's got conservative in the front, and it's got fun in the back, and it's got this lovely little cutout in the back. So I would definitely wear this to maybe a wedding, honestly, because I don't like going too overboard. I would probably just deck it up with a little bit of work, and maybe like a day wedding, a summer wedding would be something nice. What do you think, Rahul? At least he's happy. I try and stick to minimalistic. I actually stick to very unconsciously chrome. I don't like going a little overboard with colors and stuff, so you'd rather see me white or black normally. I like just accentuating it with a few pieces of jewelry, not too much. I like keeping it simple, clean cut, very sleek, and elegant but casual as well. Okay.
All good?
running away from